Trust administration best practices. How to ensure a smooth process. If you're watching this video, that's because 1, you're thinking about creating a trust, or 2, you've created a trust and you want to make sure that you have everything in place, or 3, you are the successor trustee of a trust. Regardless, I want to talk about trust administration and how this process looks and the best practices for ensuring that your trustee is successful. This gives me a wonderful segue. Here at the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we have a trustee workshop. If you really want to know the ins and outs of how to be a wonderful trustee, how to make sure that you have truly successfully and competently met your duties as a trustee, then please go ahead, click on the link below and sign up for our workshop. This is a wonderful way to make sure that you, my friend, will not be held personally liable for those beneficiaries who you have not really kept your fiduciary duty for. Because as a trustee, you could be personally liable for your omissions if you don't truly exercise your duties under a trust. So let's talk about the best practices when it comes to trust administration. First, if you're the successee trustee, go meet with an attorney with the trust. Unless you are a trust attorney, unless you're a seasoned a trust administrator, you need the legal advice to make sure that you meet your requirements as they're laid out in the trust. So go speak to someone about this trust. One of the best people to talk to when it comes to the trust is the lawyer who actually wrote the trust. If you don't trust them, if you don't have a financial relationship with them, then you better find yourself a trusted trust attorney, an estate planning attorney who can help you review the trust document so you actually know what the trust expects from you. 2, you need to read that trust. One of the greatest ways to make sure that you know what you're supposed to do is to know what the trust document says. And when you're reading the trust, you want to look for things like who are the beneficiaries, who are the primary beneficiaries, and who are the residual beneficiaries. That means if the primary beneficiary is deceased, who takes after that person is no longer with us. Then the third thing that I want you to do when it comes to trust administration is to move meticulously and keep intricate notes. The reason why you want to move carefully but swiftly is so that you don't breach your duty of administration or breach your duty of fiduciary. You as a fiduciary need to do what's in the beneficiary's best interest, not in your best interest, in the beneficiary's interest. And therefore you want to move as efficiently, as competently, and as judiciously as possible. I hope that helps. My name is Megan here at the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, where we love to help trustees just like you with trust administration. And if you like this video, or if you want more videos like this, go ahead, subscribe to our channel, go ahead, watch more videos. In fact, click on the next video that comes up. Thank you. Hello, thank you for watching our video. And because you made it to the end of that video, we're offering you our new estate planning handbook. This is a wonderful tool and I'm sure you like it. Go ahead, download the link and let's get learning together.